If you have recently purchased some real estate for investment purposes, you are in good company. Recent reports suggest that as many as 25% of these purchases are made by those who plan on using the property for investment purposes only. If you hope to flip the property, there are 4 things you must be aware of that can put a crimp on your profits. 1. Property taxes. Keep the property for a few years and you may experience a surge in property taxes, especially if your taxes are reevaluated during that time. Some hot real estate markets have seen taxes nearly double in just 5 or 6 years. 2. Renovation expenses. You may have purchased a fixer-upper at a bargain rate. Once your project is complete, will you be able to recover the expenses and make a profit, especially if the value of your renovated property is above those in your neighborhood? Additionally, can you withstand a correction in real estate values? 3. Insurance and mortgage costs. You will pay more for homeowners insurance if you do not occupy the residence and you have tenants. If you are financing the property, you know that your mortgage rate is higher as well. 4. Rental pressures. A market saturated with rentals will mean that the rent you can charge will be less than what you had hoped to receive. Of course, you can limit your risks and costs by doing most of the upgrades yourself, appealing excessive property tax increases, and finding a trusted and dependable tenant. It isn't easy flipping a home, but with a lot of determination, it can result in strong profits for you. If you liked this video, kindly like, subscribe and leave a comment below. This video was produced using Pictory. This video was brought to by Feel at Home Properties.